Positive affirmations are powerful statements. They are simple yet profound declarations that can transform our lives. They shift our mindset from negative to positive, helping us to see the world through a lens of possibility and hope. They help us create the life we desire by focusing our thoughts on what we truly want. By repeating affirmations daily, we reprogram our subconscious mind, replacing old, limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones. We start to believe in our own potential and capabilities, opening doors to new opportunities. Affirmations are more than words. They are seeds we plant in our minds. They are powerful tools for change and growth, nurturing our inner strength and resilience. When we repeat affirmations with feeling, we align ourselves with our desires, creating a harmonious connection between our thoughts and reality. We begin to attract what we want, manifesting our dreams into our everyday lives. I release all negativity and embrace positivity in every aspect of my life. This simple yet profound affirmation is a powerful declaration of my intent to live a more fulfilling and joyful life. By consciously choosing to let go of negative thoughts and emotions, I make room for positive energy to flow into my being. This affirmation is a powerful declaration. It serves as a reminder that I have the power to shape my reality through my thoughts and actions. By repeating this affirmation, I reinforce my commitment to a positive mindset. It's a commitment to let go of negativity. Releasing negativity is not just about avoiding negative thoughts. It's about actively choosing to replace them with positive ones. It's about taking a deep breath and feeling the weight lift off your shoulders. It's about embracing the good. Embracing positivity means appreciating the small joys in life, like a beautiful sunrise or the fragrance of fresh flowers. It's about finding happiness in the little things. Repeat this affirmation throughout the day. Make it a part of your daily routine. Whether you're looking at your reflection or meditating, let this affirmation guide you. Feel the negativity melt away. As you breathe out, imagine all the negativity leaving your body. Step into the light and feel the warmth of positivity envelop you. As you release negativity, you create space for positivity. Just like clearing clutter from your space makes room for new things, letting go of negative thoughts makes room for positive ones to grow. You start to see the good in yourself. With each positive thought, you build a stronger, more confident version of yourself. Achieving personal goals becomes easier when you believe in your own potential. You see the good in others. Positivity is contagious. When you focus on the good in yourself, you naturally start to see the good in others. Acts of kindness become second nature. You notice the beauty around you. The world becomes a more vibrant and beautiful place when you look at it through the lens of positivity. Every sunset, every flower becomes a source of joy. You experience more joy, love, and gratitude. Life becomes richer and more fulfilling. You find yourself surrounded by love and gratitude, and every moment becomes a celebration of positivity. I nourish my body, mind, and soul with healthy choices. This affirmation promotes self-care. By making conscious decisions, I create a balanced life. Each choice I make is a step towards a healthier, happier me. It encourages healthy habits. Repeat this affirmation before each meal. Let it remind you to choose foods that are rich in nutrients and full of life. Your body deserves the best. Choose nourishing foods that fuel your body. Opt for vibrant fruits, fresh vegetables, and whole grains. These foods provide the energy and vitality you need to thrive. Engage in activities that stimulate your mind. Challenge yourself with new puzzles, immerse in a good book, or express creativity through art. These activities keep your mind sharp and engaged. Read, learn, and explore new ideas. Knowledge is a powerful tool that enriches your life. Seek out new experiences and broaden your horizons. Nurture your soul with meditation, prayer, or spending time in nature. These practices bring peace and clarity, helping you connect with your inner self. When you make healthy choices, you feel better physically, mentally, and emotionally. You have more energy. You feel more alive. Embrace these choices and watch your life transform for the better. I attract positive, uplifting people and experiences into my life. This affirmation focuses on the law of attraction. You attract what you focus on. Repeat this affirmation daily. Believe that you deserve positive relationships and experiences. As you shift your energy, you'll notice a difference. You'll start to attract positive people into your life. You'll attract amazing opportunities. You'll experience more joy, love, and abundance. Positive affirmations are powerful. They can transform your life. Choose affirmations that resonate with you. Repeat them daily with feeling. Believe in their power. Be patient with yourself. Change takes time. The more you practice affirmations, the more you'll notice a positive shift. You'll experience the transformative power of positivity. Embrace this journey. Create the life you desire. You deserve all the good that life has to offer.